Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika and I do post makeup and fashion related videos on my channel. I'm sorry for not being posting anything for so long, but I'm back on track. In today's video I have created this beautiful makeup look. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. I'll start by applying moisturizer, and the moisturizer which I'm using is from Nivea. And after that I'll be concealing my eyelids because I'm going to do my eye makeup first. And I'll be blending my concealer with the help of a flat kabuki brush. After blending the concealer, I'll set it with the help of a compact powder, and the powder which I'm using is from Maybelline. Moving on to eye makeup, I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Hilary Rhoda and I'm picking up this dark green shade. I'll be applying this shade on the outer V of my eyelid, and then I'll be gradually smudging it towards the inner side, and I'll be doing the same until I get enough pigmentation. Now I am picking up this shade from the eyeshadow palette and I am applying it on the top of green eyeshadow, and I'll be slowly blending it out. After that I am applying concealer on inner half of my eyelid with the help of a small definer brush. Now I am picking up this dark green shade with the help of this small definer brush, and I am applying this on the periphery of my eyelid just to define my concealer. Now I am picking up the shimmery yellow shade with the help of a flat shader brush. I am applying it on the inner 1/3 of my eyelid where I applied concealer. Picking up this green shimmery shade with the help of a flat shader brush, and I am applying it just beside the yellow eyeshadow. Now with the help of a pencil brush, I am picking up this dark green shade and I am applying it on the periphery of my eyelid. Moving on to base, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'll be applying it all over my face with the help of a flat kabuki brush. I'm using this compact powder to set my base. I'm picking up this dark grey shade with the help of an angled brush and I'm going to be filling my eyebrows. Now I'm going to line my eyelids and I'll be drawing a winged eyeliner. With the help of a pencil brush, I am applying dark green shade closer towards my lower lash line. Now picking up this gold shade and I am applying it towards the inner 1/3 of my lower lash line. And I am finishing my eye makeup by applying mascara, and this mascara is from Kiss Beauty. I'm using this ITEX Dazzler Classic Compact Powder as a contour to give my face some dimensions, and yes, it is a compact powder but I use it as a contour because it's darker than my skin tone. Using this blush palette from Hilary Rhoda, I'm applying this shade on the apples of my cheek and I'll be applying it on the upward direction. I'll be applying it little bit on my chin and on my nose as well. Using this highlighter from Ronzal Cosmetics, I'm going to highlight my face. The areas which I'm going to highlight is top of my cheekbones, center of my forehead, bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin. I'll be highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone as well. To complete this look, I'm using this bright pink lipstick, and this lipstick is from Kiss Beauty. And my makeup is done. And this is my final finished look, guys. I hope you all liked this look and enjoyed watching the video. You can also follow me on Instagram, and if you do recreate any of my look, then please don't forget to tag me. And if you really like my work, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys with a brand new video. Till then, bye, take care.